2023 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. With less than 44,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It was cleverly designed with details that delight any driver, such as lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, turbocharged engine, 4-wheel drive, backup camera, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, keyless start, power outlet, keyless entry, auxiliary input, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, adjustable steering wheel, traction control. We'll help you find exactly what you're looking for.